pushing me. I was just dozing off a bit. This class is so boring. Master, I wasn't sleeping. I was just thinking about a problem. What problem? Well, sorry. Oh, so you were talking about the way to draw the talismans, right? Wait, you're talking about something else? Sorry, Master. What are you doing? Don't sweep the dust so hard. This dusty old attic is such a mess. Hey, what's under this broken box? A color? Look at what's engraved on it. Dussel and obedient puppy? This seems fun. There's an instruction manual and a controller too. Let me see. Whoever wears this collar turns into an obedient puppy. Lasts for 24 hours. Why are you running? Stop right there. Don't move. This would look perfectly on you. What are you glaring at? If it weren't for you keeping me up so late last night, I wouldn't have been so tired today and fallen asleep in class. And then got caught by the master. The master then punished us for coming here, to clean up this pavilion for starting books. Pardon? I was the one who started yesterday? Well, yeah, but I got sleepy halfway and wanted to stop. But you just kept going. Kept forcing me lay up beneath you. Kept fucking me. So, it's still your fault. Does that sound fair? Sir, allow me to remind you, just now in the classroom, you didn't listen to the master either. He was zoning out too. You didn't even help me answer his question, as a good desk mate. What? You purposely didn't answer so the Grandmaster would punish both of us? So you could come here with me? Oh, you're so sweet. But I know you too well. I can only believe half of what you say. I'm not in the mood for jokes right now. Now the master is punishing us by making us clean this entire library. 5 whole floors. We'll be here until dark. This is absolutely all your fault. You can clean the shelves by yourself. I'm going to take a nap. This corner seems cozy. I'm lying down. Don't bother me. What the heck is this? Are you trying to get yourself killed? When did this thing get around my neck? You jerk! Where is the controller? What was that weird noise I just made? The fuck are you juggling? Why are you tapping on the bookshelf with your knuckle like that? Hosing yourself? Thinking you're getting to me? Why are you standing over there laughing? You actually put this collar on me while I was sleeping? Nice move. Just so you wait. I'm gonna get you. Hey, give the controller back. I have to use my spell on you. Watch this. Till the skin is just... What kind of sound did I just make? You're telling me to sit? How dare you? You want me to slap you or something? Just you wait. Once I break free. Don't come any closer. Why won't this car come off? I'm warning you. Don't you dare use that controller on me again. Don't come any closer. Stop. This feels so weird. Wait, why do I suddenly feel so... happy? Carefree? It's like all my worries just disappeared. I wander around in the sunshine. Chase butterflies in the grass. Hold on. Is this car really that powerful? Don't touch my head. Don't scratch my ears and chin. That feels so good. Don't stop. Keep going a little longer. It's your fault. I'm like this anyway. It's just revenge. Your revenge. I misjudged you. I never saw you be this kind of person. You act all proper and righteous in front of others. But only I know how bad you really are in private time. You're asking how bad you are? Stop smirking. You're literally grinding like a villain. The master and other seniors should really see the look on your face right now. And all those disciples who think you're so cool. You are literally the worst. What? You want me to admit I was wrong? No way. What did I even do? You want me to confess? Or else you'll turn the car to the highest setting? Go on then. What's the highest setting? It can't actually turn me into a dog, can it? Listen to me. I'll never give in. Not even if I die. Don't even think about it. Even if I really turn into a dog, I won't give in. I'll bite you. What is this feeling? It's like electricity spreading through my whole body. I can't move. It's so uncomfortable. Wait, no. It's so weird. This is not in heat. Damn you. Stop it. Right now. Something's growing on my head. It's furry. Dog ears? My lower back is so itchy. It hurts. What's that? A tail? I don't want to turn into a dog. It's just having ears and a tail is enough. Okay, I admit I was wrong. Alright, I'm sorry. This is so annoying. Don't come closer. I said, don't come near me. Don't touch me. Damn it. Why does it feel this good? Is this what it's like for dogs when they get petted? Stop scratching my scalp with your fingers. Don't run your fingers through my hair either. It's so tickish. This feeling is like 10 times stronger than when I was human. Wait, no. I am human. I can't take it anymore. I can't think straight. What's this? A mirror you conjured out of thin air? Oh, thank goodness. It's just the ear and the tail. Nothing more. I hate you. I hate you. You want me to confess? Fine. What do you want to know? I just asked already. Damn it. Stop torturing me, you idiot. Whoa, what are you doing? Don't grab my tail. It's super sensitive. You want me to stop swearing? Be a good little puppy? Speak politely? How dare you? Say it again? Okay, stop grabbing my tail. Damn it, fuck. I'm out of energy. Alright. I'll say it, but how am I supposed to know what to say if you don't teach me? What? You want me to call you Master? We only have one master, and that's the grand old man who mentors us for years. Don't you dare tarnish that title. Stop. I said, don't pull my tail. Don't stroke the skin above my tailbone. It feels really weird. Stop. Alright. I'll talk. Master, please tell me, what do you want to know? I promise, I'll be honest. Last time, we went out hunting demons and stayed overnight. You lent me your pajamas. I didn't return them. I need to wash them before I can give them back. Yes, I forgot to wash them. What's wrong with this damn collar again? Why do I feel like there is an electric current running through my body? No, it doesn't hurt, but it's so itchy. What did you do to me? What? The car can detect lies? I'm not lying. Stop. Don't press the damn controller anymore. I'll talk. I didn't return them. Not because I forgot. But because I didn't plan to. You didn't ask for it. So I thought you didn't notice. What are you laughing at? What's with that look? It's seriously the worst. You know that? Stop coming closer. This is a corner. You're scratching me. If I weren't so weak right now, I'd totally draw my sword on you. still want to ask me more? Are you just having fun with this? Ow! Don't pinch my waist. Stop being so handsy. What? Because you like puppies? Oh, you're obviously messing with me on purpose. Hi. Don't use the controller. Just ask, okay? Ask already. I promise I'll answer your questions honestly, Master. What question? I didn't hear you. Ow. Ow. I'm not pretending. No, stop whispering to my ear. It's icky. No. Don't tug on my collar, okay? What? I'm not looking at your eyes because I don't want to see you looking smug. Not because I'm guilty. What? Did I smell your pajamas? No. I didn't smell your pajamas. This stupid collar struck me again. Stop it. I really can't take it anymore. Fine. I admit it. I smelled your pajamas. And I hugged them while I slept. Why? What's that look on your face? You're smiling. I knew it. I shouldn't tell you. Don't act all innocent like you don't know. That's because you smell nice, okay? It's just a physical thing. It doesn't mean anything else. I'm not falling for you or anything. No, I'm not turned on. Don't touch me there. Fine. Your fingers are wet now, but that's your own fault. Don't blame me. Hey, don't sniff it. Are you a pervert or something? It smells good. You're such a freak. How long are you planning to keep this up? Just take the collar off already. No, I'm not squeezing my sides. I don't need you to help me out. Wait, what are you doing? Why does the jam on the controller turn red? The highest level makes people really honest, not just with words, or with the bodies too. What are you trying to do? Is this just revenge? Because of all the pranks I pulled on you before? Like, always making you run errands for me? Fine. I was wrong, okay? Please, make it stop. It feels so intense. What? You didn't hate it when I did that? You actually enjoyed it? Really? Then why are you getting back on me now? It's not revenge? You wanted to do this for a long time? Wait. Don't grab my waist. I'm not alright. What's happening? I can't seem to think straight. Why do you smell so good? Hold me tighter. I can't stand properly. You really do smell amazing. Let me hug you. Let me wrap my arms around your neck. We shouldn't stay standing. Yeah, like this. Sit down. I'm gonna sit on your lap like this. Doesn't this make me more like a puppy now, master? What? You wanna see me wag my tail? Okay, like this. Master? Master? Look how fast my tail is wagging. Am I the best puppy? Will you pet my head? I promise I will move around. My eyes sparkling as I look at you. Master, your hand is so warm. Can I nuzzle against it? I promise I won't lick you. Just a little nudge. Now, I'm gently bumping your palm with my head. I remember. You said you like it when I look up at you like this. Is my eyes so shiny? Not as proud as you. Am I really bad? A bad girl? And am I a good girl now, master? This puppy wants to hear you call me a good girl. A sweet girl. You're a baby girl. You're a sweetheart. I promise. I won't be rude to you anymore. I won't play pranks on you. I won't be a bad puppy. Look, my ears are even now drooping. You believe my promise, right, master? Am I amazing? Hurry up and praise me. Will I bite you? Well, maybe a playful little nibble, like this. Ow! No taste marks or anything, but a real bite? Never. Unless someone tries to hurt you, master. Don't worry. Even though I'm just a puppy, I'll protect you. Anyone who messes with you, I'll bite them. Just like this. Baring teeth, growling protectively, then nuzzling you. But of course, master is the strongest. You don't even need my protection. You're asking what else I can do? I can do this. Master, you work so hard. I'll just lie there, quietly, and keep your company. I promise I won't cause any trouble. I'll just secretly resting my head on your foot. When you are tired, I'll be your pillow. Or I can be cute. When you sleep, can I stay by your bed? I promise I won't snore or steal the blankets. I'll just guard you quietly. I'll nuzzle your hand with my wet nose like this. Good night, master. You look really happy. Did I make you happy? If you're happy, then I'm happy too, master. You want to play a little game? A kind of game. Do you want me to put my paw in your hand? Like this? Okay. My paw is in your palm now. This is my most precious paw, and I only let you hold it because you're the best master in the whole world. I like you very, very much. See? Am I the best? Can you pet me a little more? Don't I deserve a little reward? A treat? A head pat? Or you're asking what I want? Anything is fine. I'll love whatever you give me, master. Quick, pet my head and ears. Scratch on my chin. Just like that. Yes, feels so good. Thank you, master. Do I like you? Yes. You're my favorite master. I like you. You want me to lick your palm? Like this? Do you like it? And your face and mouth too? Well, since you're asking nicely, master, I'll do as you say. I'm gently licking your fingers. Index, middle, and ring finger, fingertip, host hand. Your cheeks, the corner of your mouth, and the tip of my tongue. Am I doing it right? I'm doing great. You're tickled? Your puppy is so happy, master. Oh, wait. Master, please don't touch my tail. Why? Because it's super sensitive here. And if you touch it, I'll start quivering. Lose all my strength. Wait. What's a beeping sound? The cutter is rolling out of energy? I feel like I was just lip walking. What even happened? Huh? What was I even doing just now? That wasn't me, okay? You better forget all of that. What do you mean? That was the real me? It wasn't. It was all because of that terrifying color. I'll deal with you later and show you what the real me is like. The complexity of human nature? It's not important right now. What's important is that you take this color off me right now. Draw your sword. I'll challenge you to a duel. Wait, what are you doing? Don't you dare use the cultivation to recharge the color. Don't recharge it. Damn. I'm out of strength again. Why are you flipping me over and making me bend over like this? What's the meaning of this? Wait. Why are you grabbing my waist? What do you mean by face down, ass up? You fucking... No! Are you trying to doggy style me? No, don't get behind me. Don't stroke me. No. What do you mean immediately? Let me feel comfortable. so hard. You slow down a little. Start coming. You're so too slow. You're doing it for fun, aren't you? You know, circle outside that slowly. Don't slap my ass. How did you suddenly... Oh wait, that was thrusting. Fuck. So deep. This time, pleasure. So horrible. Too strong. So intense. It's only because I already want to roll my eyes. I am lifting one of my legs up. The fuck is this position? You fucking bad taste. I feel so dizzy. The car is starting to work again. Why are you asking? When my puppy ears are drooping and quivering, you already know the answer. I'm about to lose myself again. I'm making that whimper sound like myself. What did you say? Moaning louder? No one can hear me. Anyway, what are you doing? Slowing down my back. Don't bite my neck. Don't bite my earlobe. Neither you will do. I'll come right away. It's not the right time yet. You smell so good. This damn darkness. Too good. You smell the sex in the air. The slight moisture seeping in from the rain outside. So good, master. That's it. I love you, master. I love you. I just said that because I got fucked good. Now, I'm your puppy? Yes, master, I'm your puppy. I love you the most. This pussy loves you the most too. Feel it. She's contracting violently for you. The soft, thick, wet, tight walls of flesh are tightly wrapped around Master's cock, contracting one by one. I can't control it at all. It has its own mind. It's so hard and soft, and it's so high. You feel comfortable, Master? Yeah? Your puppy is so happy. I love being fucked by you. Your cock is so warm and full. intro too. Your voice is so sexy. Let's come together, master. It's a real fault. And now the tip of my tongue is out slightly. That's weird, but I can't help it. I can't put it back in. I'm like a real puppy now. You're a very own puppy. I'm near it. You're doing me so great, master. So great. It's early. Oh, what? You're going to help me with the cleanup. Thank you, master. I mean, today was really fun. I'll have to play this game again next time. Oh no, I don't care about the damn car. Well, wait. What are you doing suddenly? Slap your hands around my tits from behind.